Hi there everybody, Kyle from Sundance Mazda here, standing next to the beautiful new Mazda 3 Sport Turbo. So with this new model in the Generation 7, the wipers have actually been placed underneath the hood line of the vehicle to improve aerodynamics and actually protect the wipers from the elements. But that does make it a little difficult to change your wiper blades. So I'm here to show you how to put your wipers into service mode so that you can change them. Alright, so you have to start with your Mazda 3 still turned on, okay? Now the first step is you need to turn your engine off real quick with the push of a button and tap the windshield wipers twice. You'll notice the wipers are in service mode and you'll be able to access them from the outside and change your wiper blades if you need to. Okay, now the wipers are in service mode, so we have access to them. So you're able to pull them off your windshield and access your wiper blades here and here so that you can change them. Okay, so we've changed our wiper blades. Really easy to put them back out of service mode. Just simply flick down and your wipers will return to their natural position underneath the hood. This is Kyle from Sundance Mazda here, giving you a little infotainment. You can access me here at Sundance Mazda, 780-454-0422, and I'll be happy to help you out with anything else.